Welcome to Linux for you. My name is Sushil Sharma. So today we will talk about how to safeguard your SSH from hackers. And your security of Linux is the top priority of your administrator team. So how to secure your Linux server from SSH, doing SSH from hackers, and banning the IP address for hackers immediately automatically. So we will use a tool called FAIL2BAN. So this tool is not in the RHEL repository, it is in EPL repository, right? So let's go to the lab and install this tool, right? So if you are liking my channel, please subscribe the channel so that my new video will not miss to you. So see here how I am enabling the EPL repository, right? So EPL repository is having this tool, right? So now we are downloading the RPM file for EPL, right? So that we can enable the EPL repo, right? So after running this command, you are able to have a EPL repo, right? Where we will download the tool, right? After doing this, after running this command, you need to clean the DNF repository. So how you will clean? Sudo DNF clean all, and after that running the command sudo DNF make cache, right? So it will enable the EPL repository from where we will download the tool FAIL2BAN and secure our Linux server for doing SSH by hackers, right? So we are securing our Linux server, right? Now we will install the required tool, right? After enabling the EPL rep. So this command will download the FAIL2BAN package from EPL repository, right? So after completing this, we will configure the FAIL2BAN so that it will protect the SSH from hackers, and it is the topmost priority of any Linux admin team to secure our Linux server, right? Now the package has been completed for installation, and we are enabling the required service, right? So after enabling the service, we will configure the FAIL2BAN. So how to enable the service? First, sudo systemctl enable --now FAIL2BAN. So service has been enabled and started, right? After that you need to configure the SSHD configuration file for FAIL2BAN. So this is the command where you are running the configuration, a small file sshd.local, right? So you are configuring the jail of FAIL2BAN, and here you need to specify some statements, right? So in this file you are telling the FAIL2BAN that the service is SSHD and it is enabled and it is a systemd service. If any hacker retries 3 times wrong password to my server by SSH, it will be blocked. Its IP will be blocked. Within 10 minutes it will retry 3 times. IP of hacker will be blocked, and ban time will be 10 minutes. So it cannot access the server 10 minutes. If you want to increase this time, yes, you can increase. You can increase 1h means 1 hour. So here 3 retries within 10 minutes, and the ban time will be 10 minutes. So it cannot access the server for 10 minutes. So ban time you can enable as you wish, right? So here I am saving this configuration of SSHD local, right? So this way we are configuring the FAIL2BAN. Now restart the service of FAIL2BAN. Sudo systemctl restart FAIL2BAN. So this service you need to restart. So your settings are configured, right? Now checking the status of FAIL2BAN, right? So sudo fail FAIL2BAN client status. So we will verify the FAIL2BAN configuration, right, by running this command. So you have configured the one jail of SSHD. So jail list is SSD. So we have configured the number of jail 1 for SSHD service, right? If you want to see that this FAIL2BAN service is disabling or preventing any hacker from doing SSH, you can run the command SSHD. So it will show you the detailed output here. Currently no failed, no attempt, currently banned 0, total banned 0. So there is nothing here right now, right? See, so you can see the status that who is banned or not, right? Any IP is banned from the hacker or not, right? So there is a good command to show. So let's simulate the hacking, right? Open the another terminal and run this command, so that we will watch that who is banned or not. So this command will tell you that as FAIL2BAN is banning which hacker IP, right? So we are monitoring by running this command. So now currently failed 0. So it is continuously in half second will tell you who is banned or not. So open the another terminal and run this command that I have shown you, right, for monitoring. Now see carefully, on the another terminal I am running this command. Every half second I am watching the status of FAIL2BAN by running this command, right? So run this command on the another terminal, and now it is continuously watching that who is failed, which is banned or not. And from the another machine now I am doing a SSH, simulating the hacking, right? So I am doing SSH to this server. Now it is asking for password, so I am entering wrong password here. One time I have entered the wrong password, right? So when I enter the wrong password, see, it is showing you currently failed 1. Now I am entering the second time wrong password. Now see here, it will change, this value will change, right? So second time I have entered the wrong password. So yes, see, total failed 2. Now I am entering the wrong password third time, right? And now see, after the third time it will show you the 3 here, and it will ban the IP of hacker. Yes, 3 and IP currently banned. So 3 times who is doing SSH to your server, it will be banned. So current banned IP is this. Here you can see banned IP list. So it is a hacker IP. So if you attempt 3 times the wrong password, IP is banned from hacker, right? So hacker IP is banned from the FAIL2BAN. So this way I have shown you that FAIL2BAN is protecting your server from doing SSH from hackers, right? So successfully. So this way you can protect your Linux server from hacking who is want to do the brute force attack to your Linux server. So that is a good tool to have for any Linux admin. So if you are liking my video, subscribe my channel and like my video, and so that my new video will not miss to you. And please support my channel so that we can make video for those kind of scholars who want to pass the exam, pass the or Linux or basically make the career in the Linux field. So please donate on this QR code or given number. So it will be helpful for us, right? So please support us. Thank you for watching this video.